Okay, now we're up to 7.2, which is adding and subtracting positive integers. So the last lesson we learnt about what integers were. So now we're going to be able to add and subtract the positive integers. So remembering the positive integers are the ones to the right of the 0 on the number line. So we're going to work with that. All right, so there's a couple of strategies for doing this. The first one is to use a number line. So when you're using a number line, you need to remember that if you are adding a positive integer, you go right. So right to add or rad, and left to subtract. Okay, let's do some examples here just to give you an idea of what I mean. So -9, so we start then on the -9. So here we go, the -9 right here. And we're going to add 2. So remembering add means we go right. So we go right to 1, 2, therefore -9 plus 2 is -7. Alright, what about the next one? -4 plus 8. So we're starting on the -4 and we're adding 8, which means we go right. 8 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So -4 plus 8 is 4. Remembering there's no need to put a plus sign before the 4 because we just automatically assume it's positive when there is no sign before it. Alright, the next one, -2 minus 5. So we're starting on the -2 and we are taking away 5. So we're going left this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So -2 minus 5 is -7. Alright, so that is the first strategy. I need you to write that down. Now I'm going to show you another strategy that you could use. Okay, so the second strategy is just to use symbols to represent the numbers, and I'll show you what I mean by this. Okay, so but basically for the negative numbers I'm going to use a minus sign, and for the positive numbers I'm going to add a plus sign. Alright, so -8, therefore I'm going to actually write 8 negative signs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to, underneath them, I'm going to put 5 positive signs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these cancel each other out. So the answer to -8 plus 5 is -3, because you've got 3 left. 3 of the negative symbols left. Okay, let's try another one. -3 plus 4. So we're just going to draw 3 negative symbols, and we're just going to draw 4 positive symbols or plus signs, and these cancel each other out. Therefore, the answer to -3 plus 4 is 1. Probably should have put an equal sign there. Okay, see, this is pretty easy, isn't it? I think this is quite good. If you're a visual person, you'll really like this strategy. Okay, the last one. -6, take away 7. So -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to do 7 negative signs as well because we're taking them away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we don't cancel anything out because they're all negative signs. So we actually have to add them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So they're all negative signs. So -6 minus 7 equals -13. Alright, so hopefully one of those two strategies suits you. You can choose either of them. You can use both of them at any time. It's up to you. So now you've got a chance to show what you know by solving these problems. Okay, so you can use either strategy, you can use both strategies depending on the problem if you want. Okay, so pause the video and do this for me. Righty-ho, so -6 plus 9. So I'm going to do the little symbol strategy for this one. negative 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's 9 positive signs. Cancelling out. Alright, so that means equals 3. Negative 7, take away 2. I like this symbol 1, so I'm going to do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's negative 7 and then minus 2. And they're all negative signs, we add them up, so that equals negative 9. Alright, now the last one, well, I'm going to use the number line for this one. Negative 10, so we're starting on there, and we're adding 12, so we're going to the right, right add, so remember rad. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so you can see that negative 10 plus 12 equals 2. Okay, good luck with your work.